what you can do, a few different ways. You can grab a piece of extra wood that you have lying around and cut off some splinters with your utility knife. Take your leg or your piece of wood that has a stripped hole, fill up the hole with glue, and put those shavings in the stripped out hole. And re-thread your bolt in there. Cut off the excess wood. Let that dry overnight and should be fine. A few other options you can do. Instead of, if you don't have wood around, you can use actual wood toothpicks, or you can use sawdust. Mix that with the glue and use that. This will work for a wooden leg, a wooden piece of a bed, a wooden frame on a sofa, anywhere where you've got the bolt is stripped or bored out of the hole.